Namaste, this is Sunili welcoming you all to Planet to Soul Astrology, and I'm very sure you all are learning from my videos. So today we are going to talk about Dashmansh Kundali D10. So there were multiple requests regarding it, but still there is so much for Navmansh, there is so much for D1 chart. But yes, today I thought that I should make one video connected to Dashmansh Kundali. Dashansh Kundali or D10 chart. D10 chart is a profession house. D10 chart is a karma chart. D10 chart is your karma cycle, how it will go, like what you will do, what will be your favorite things to do, what you have to do, what is your actual caliber, and what you will end up into. All these things we come to know through Dashansh Kundali. This is the like Navmansh, 9 parts. In Dashmansh it's a 10 parts, something like that we have to consider. So basically, whenever we are assessing profession or karma, so I have made one video in past also that you have to see 10th house, 10th lord in Dashansh Kundali, and from Dashansh Kundali also, like in Dashansh Kundali also, you have to see who is the lord of D10 chart of 10th house. Till this, everything is okay. But today I am going to tell something different which we usually do not assess or do not see, and what I always use, or I always, like by default I see in a D10 chart. So now what we have to see, as Dashansh Kundali is chart of your profession, chart of your karma. So what I thought, that why we should not see Shani Maharaj or Saturn position in D10 chart. If in D10 chart your Saturn is prominent, strong, with strength, with benefic planets like Venus or Mercury or Jupiter, because all these 3 planets are comfortable with Saturn. If this Shani is posited in better houses, now what is better house in D10 chart? The Artha Trikona is 2, 6 and 10. That is the Trikona. That is the Artha Trikona or economical triangle or finance triangle of our horoscope. So when you see that Saturn is posited in own sign, or Saturn is posited in friendly sign, friendly nakshatra we will talk later. First let us only talk about Saturn, which house it is posited, which sign it is posited, and with which it is posited. Then definitely you are going to suffer less in your karmic cycle. Like, sometimes we say that I do so much of struggle, I am not able to stable in my profession. When stability come, when wealth status will be stable, or when I will feel that I will have that condition that yes, now I am not worried. Okay, basically that condition, human tendency is such that satisfaction is far away from humans. That is why we say that Rahu and Ketu are ruling us. But if this Saturn happens to be in debilitation in your D10 chart, or is going in Trika Bhavas like 6, 8 and 12th house, or in Artha Trikona it is going in debilitation, then definitely, as debilitation sign is movable sign of Mars, then definitely you are going to experience many trials, many efforts and many struggles to establish yourself in your career. or you are earning enough because maybe Venus position is better, Jupiter position is better apart from this Shani position, but still you are not finding your channel, you are channelless, and you always feel that even though for smaller to bigger thing I have to struggle. Now this I talked about debilitation. What about exaltation or own sign Saturn or with benefic planets? Then definitely these people also have to do struggle, because Shani is a karma karaka planet. Shani is not going to give you spoon feeding. Shani will definitely ask you to do certain karmas. Even if you are high paid, you are in a high paid job, but still your responsibilities are rising day by day, or you are answerable or you are responsible to look after particular thing. This is what Shani gives. And when your Shani goes in exaltation or own sign or in a friendly or with friendly planets, then definitely here what we see, that these people are getting good post position or are settling or becoming steady soon in their life. Now what is soon? So as we all know that after 30 Saturn age starts, but I have observed that once you finish your 36 age, then your Saturn becomes more prominent to give you fruit, and then you start becoming stable in your career, in your life, because Shani is not only for career. When Shani gets activated, you are bound to get fruits in a multiple ways or in multiplicity. Career also good, family also good, money is also good, property is also good, fixed asset is good, children's are good, everything is happening as per our desire, or all of a sudden so many years I was doing struggle and now everything is fructifying in a better way. This is what Shani Maharaj gives us. So you have to see how the Saturn is posited. So this is the difference between Saturn position in your Dashamsha Kundali. Yes, D10 chart Saturn plays very important role. Now third rule. Even if Saturn is of own sign exalted or in debilitation also, but if in second house of horoscope, that is the accumulation of wealth. Now in case of debilitated Saturn in second house, in spite of earning ample money, you are not able to save it. If it is in own sign or exaltation, in spite of earning ample money, you have to spend it for your family, you are not able to save it. You have to spend it like for health issues or something like that, and you are always waiting when my turn will come to spend this money, or you are not able to spend it properly. This is the uh, this is the fruit of second house posited Saturn. And yen ken prakare, that means somehow you are able to do jugad, or you are able to meet the ends. I am not asking about basic needs of a person like food, shelter, clothing. No, you have to do something that everything goes in a aligned way, in a family also, in a professional way also. You have to keep your seniors also happy, you have to keep your family also happy. All this way you try to be specific whenever Saturn goes in second house of horoscope, provided how much strength this Saturn has. Debilitation already I said. If it is in Trika Bhava, then again struggle. Maybe you will change more than 3, 4, 5, 6 jobs. Maybe profession also. You will jump into this profession. You know what happens? These people have lesser of patience. They do not wait. They want everything chutki bajate hi, like immediately. Within a blink they want. And then they are starting something, new job or new venture. After 15 days they say, no, nobody is coming, I am not happy. At least wait there. See how the atmosphere is. So, this is the remedy for it. Have patience. Try to acclimatize you, try to adapt the atmosphere of that particular office, particular zone wherever you are working, and then make a decision or then make a judgment. And you see that I have to progress, I want to progress. So, this is what you have to assess in D10 chart, that is, see the Shani position. That is what I have understood. Apart from multiple techniques, apart from multiple sutras to see in a D10 chart. So, next time I will come with another fresh topic. By that time, do not forget to subscribe my channel, share my videos, and hit the like button. सबका मंगल हो. May all be blessed. Namaste. Thank you.